耶诞假期，强烈的冬季暴风雨席卷南加州，豪雨和强风导致部分地区发布土石流以及撤离警告，甚至一度有超过10万户商家或家庭发生停电。不少居民也已经着手进行防灾准备。
We got some sandbags, but we figured with this whole downpour coming for the next couple of days, we have a pool, so the pool might overflow. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm a big guy, but I did cry because we didn't know if we would come back to the house or not.
当地居民拿出沙包应对恶劣天气之际，加州政府也宣布，包括洛杉矶在内的多个郡进入紧急状态。
Staying off the roads whenever possible keeps you safe and frees up the lanes for our first responders and public work crews.
美国国家气象局也示警，加州豪雨、降雪和强风恐怕会持续到未来几天，呼吁民众务必高度警戒。中央社张爱报道。